Hi guys, happy Saturday. So today I'm at the airport off on a holiday with my family. So I just want to all say hi. I'm just going to the gate now. We've had our Wetherspoons breakfast and getting the plane to Barbados. Hi guys, we're on the plane now. So we've just boarded the plane. It's quite empty at the moment. I think we're one of the first on board. Taking off soon, and see you on the other side of the Atlantic. Hey everyone, so I made it to St Lucia. It was such a long day of travelling yesterday. I think we were travelling for in total about 16 hours. So I was so tired when I got here that I just wanted to have dinner and go to sleep. So I thought this morning I'd do a little room tour because it's so nice. I got here last night and I was just amazed by it. I was so tired, but I was just like, oh my god, it's amazing. I'm literally in paradise. So yeah, I'll give a little tour of where we're staying. So in here we've got like a little lounge area, which is nice, and a TV. Like, I don't ever really use hotel TVs, but yeah, a little desk area for my postcards, and then balcony, but I'll show you that in a minute. We'll go around. Got a wardrobe in there, bathroom. It's got the biggest bath I've ever seen in a hotel. Like, it's so big. Why do you need so much space? It's huge. A nice little dressing area. If I stand here, you actually can't see me. Well, there I am. And then this is where me and my sister are staying. So we've got a nice big bed and a nice wardrobe, more mirrors. And another TV. But I don't think we'll use that one either. And then this, I'll show you the balcony now. It is amazing. So that like loops around from the lounge. This is the view. Oh my god. Look at it. So we've got like a pool area, and then the sea. Ocean view. It's amazing. I think today we're just gonna sort of be like finding our way around, because we were trying last night, but everything always looks different in the dark to when you are here like in the morning. So I think we're just going to try and like find out where everything is, all the restaurants and things, and just like chill out today at the pool or the beach. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So, just signing off the video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little travelling video and room tour, and it's quite late now, so I'm going to go to bed because I'm going on an island tour tomorrow and got to be up quite early, and it's quite late, so yeah, I'm gonna go now. So yeah, like, comment and subscribe.